Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we present a detailed 3D animation of a single clutch system, designed and assembled using SolidWorks. This mechanism is commonly used in manual transmission vehicles to engage and disengage the engine from the transmission system. The clutch system connects and disconnects the engine from the transmission. It allows smooth gear shifting and stops the vehicle without stalling the engine. Let's start with the flywheel. The flywheel is connected to the engine crankshaft and rotates continuously as the engine runs. It provides the base for the clutch to engage and disengage. Next, we have the clutch plate. It is placed between the flywheel and pressure plate. The clutch plate has friction linings on both sides to grip the flywheel and transfer power to the gearbox. The pressure plate, along with diaphragm springs, pushes the clutch plate against the flywheel. When engaged, this setup allows torque transmission from the engine to the transmission. Now, when you press the clutch pedal, it activates the release bearing. This bearing presses against the diaphragm spring, moving the pressure plate away from the clutch plate. In this position, the clutch plate is free from the flywheel, cutting off power to the gearbox. This is how the vehicle can stop without turning off the engine. When the clutch pedal is released, the pressure plate again pushes the clutch plate against the flywheel. This re-establishes the connection and transmits engine power to the wheels. This single clutch system is commonly found in cars, bikes, and other light vehicles. It's a simple yet highly effective mechanism for power transmission and gear control. Thanks for watching. If you liked this animation and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more mechanical engineering content. Stay connected for more 3D models and explanations.